Hello everyone, welcome back to Techie Bytes from ResoluteAI.in. Let's continue our journey Power BI. Be sure to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for future updates and videos.
Today's topic of discussion is DAX functions.
I have been experimenting on a lot of different graphs and charts in Power BI. But I'm really curious to know, how do I create new columns or customize my tables?
You are at the right place. One of the biggest advantages of Power BI is DAX, that is, Data Analysis Expressions. This will solve all your queries.
DAX? What is that?
Data Analysis Expression or DAX is a programming language that is used throughout Microsoft Power BI for creating calculated columns, measures, and custom tables.
Can DAX be used in all import techniques?
No, there are some compatibility limitations in DAX using direct query. Some transform functions like format are not supported under direct query mode. Since you connect the data source directly, it does not allow you to modify your source data.
Okay, what all functions are included in DAX, which help me analyze my data and create new columns?
DAX includes functions from different categories such as aggregate, text, date, logical, counting, information. Power BI provides an easy way to see the list of all these functions. When you start typing your alphabet in the formula bar, you can see the list of all the functions starting with the alphabet.
This is so cool. I can perform minimum, maximum functions, also deal with date time functions and perform logical expressions as well. But how do I create calculated columns and measures? But what's the difference between a column and a measure in Power BI?
Calculated columns are evaluated for each row in your table, whereas calculated measures are evaluated when you use it in a visual. Calculated columns are saved back into your model, whereas measures are not. Calculated columns are evaluated based on table attributes, therefore they are table dependent. And calculated measures are table independent and provide developers with a lot of analytical capabilities. In Power BI, you can create a calculated measure and a calculated column. To create a calculated column, click on Data View on the left side, then click on New Column, then write the DAX language code for the new column you want to create. In this example, we are creating a new column for the gender code, where the female and the male are converted into zeros and ones. To create a new measure, click on Data View on the left side, then click on New Measure and create your new measure using different columns. Here, we are creating a new measure to find the minimum rating of the supermarket sales.
Alright, Power BI provides the user with lots of very useful functionalities, making it easier to use and so versatile. It provides all tools required for data visualization and analytics.
You're absolutely right. DAX in Power BI is an essential tool that can help data analysts to find and create new columns and get new insights from the data.
Alright, I think now it's time to apply what we have learned and start making a dashboard.
Yes, definitely, in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.